Hi friends, welcome to my channel. As you see, the profit was once 44,000 plus, but due to the glitch in Zerodha, the profit reduced to 29,000. But that is a part of trading and it all happens. So let us get to the analysis of this. Before moving further, there are a lot of videos on my channel. So to improve your understanding, you can go through them one by one. And if our videos deliver some value, please consider subscribing and liking. Thank you. In an uptrending market always make higher highs. So this is a high and then it again makes a high which is higher than the previous high. It makes a low and next time when it makes a low, this low will be higher than the previous low. Similarly, in case of downtrending market makes lower lows and again it makes a lower lows. This low will be lower than the previous low and this high will never be higher than the previous high. So let us now look at the trade. As you see, market was making a lower low, so it was in a downtrend in this side. At this point, you can see when market started moving above this, it entered into a short-term trend change. Although I did not enter here because the higher interval charts were still in downtrend. So I was just observing at this end. As you see, this pattern is also in the form of inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is a bullish reversal pattern, and it comes at the end of downtrend. So, but there was a problem in taking the trade here. At this region was a supply region. If you want to know how to draw the supply region, you can watch my demand and supply series. In that series, I have covered everything regarding to demand and supply. But since there is a concept of polarity, let us go to that. In the concept of polarity, the resistance which once gets broken act as support and support which gets broken act as resistance. This is a simple concept but it works wonderfully in trading. So let us see, this area was a resistance because you can see once, twice, and after third attempt this was crossed. So this is known as change of polarity. When price again retests here, you can see this. There is clearly rejection from this, and I entered the trade at exactly at here, and my stop loss was below this. Now let us understand why the stop loss was below this. As you can see, when market was moving up, this was the first reference point. As you can see in the diagram of uptrend, this was the lower low, higher low. And once price goes above this, this was the first reference point as price should not breach this. Again, when you saw there was a dip in this market, so the next reference point, so price should not breach this. So when I entered in this trade, I had the stop loss was very less because you can see this is the last reference point. And next day when market opened with the big bang, and I mean closed in my position because as you see after this the price only was trading in a range. The reason was this was again a supply region and price was consolidating in this range. If this video was useful and this has delivered value, please like and subscribe to my channel.